Stop cleaning your house. No, seriously. If you're spending your entire Saturday scrubbing, vacuuming, and decluttering only for the mess to return by Monday morning, you aren't cleaning, you're just fighting a losing battle. In 2026, the tidiest homes aren't maintained by harder work. They're maintained by invisible systems. Today, I'm showing you the 10-minute daily framework that makes cleaning obsolete and keeps your home automatically tidy, even if you're the messiest person you know. Why traditional cleaning fails? You spend 4 hours deep cleaning on Saturday. Your home looks perfect for exactly 2 days. Then the mail piles up, shoes multiply by the door, and counters disappear under random stuff. Here's why. Research shows clutter isn't just visual mess, it's mental load. Your brain processes every out-of-place item as an unfinished task. This creates constant low-level stress that drains your energy all day. The solution isn't cleaning harder. It's building automatic systems that prevent mess from accumulating. A tidy home is a system, not a one-time project. Before I give you the exact system, understand 3 core principles. Principle 1, everything needs a home, not a temporary spot, an actual specific place where it lives. When your keys, mail, and phone charger have clear homes, tidying becomes automatic. Principle 2, tiny daily actions beat big weekend cleanups every time. 5 to 10 minutes of maintenance prevents hours of deep cleaning. Think of brushing your teeth. You don't skip a week in deep clean on Saturday. You do 2 minutes twice daily. Principle 3, design your system around how you actually live, not how you wish you lived. If you drop your bag by the door daily, put a hook there. Stop fighting your natural habits and build systems that catch them. Drop a comment right now. What's the window spot in your home that always gets messy? And hit that like button because now we're building your actual system. Here's your daily non-negotiable routine that keeps homes tidy automatically. Step 1, the evening reset. Every night, spend 5 to 10 minutes doing a quick reset of your main living area. Walk through with a basket, collect items that don't belong, and return them to their homes. Clear surfaces, straighten cushions. This takes less time than scrolling social media, and you wake up to calm instead of chaos. Step 2, clean as you go. This is the game changer. Put ingredients away while food cooks. Put your laptop away before you leave your desk. Hang clothes immediately, not later. This eliminates 80% of clutter because most mess happens between "I'm done with this and I'll put it away later." Step 3, put the kitchen to bed. Every night, clear your sink, wipe counters, and run the dishwasher. A clean kitchen in the morning sets the tone for your entire day. Step 4, handle laundry with a set system. 1 load per day or whatever rhythm works so it never becomes a bedroom chair mountain. This routine takes 10 minutes but prevents hours of weekend cleaning. Now, the rules that stop clutter before it invades your space. Rule 1, 1 in, 1 out. Every time something new enters your home, something old leaves. New shirt, donate an old one. New kitchen gadget, toss the unused one. This keeps your stuff manageable instead of constantly expanding. Rule 2, limit your drop zones. You need exactly 1 spot for keys, 1 for mail, 1 for bags, 1 for shoes. Not multiple spots. 1, clear these zones every day during your evening reset. This prevents the explosion of stuff that makes your home feel chaotic. Rule 3, do tiny focused declutters. Instead of organizing the whole house, spend 5 minutes on 1 drawer. Tomorrow, tackle 1 basket. Next day, clear 1 shelf. These micro declutters add up fast without overwhelm. Rule 4, use visible, simple storage. Clear bins, labeled baskets, open shelves where you see what you own. When storage is complicated or hidden, you forget what you have, buy duplicates, and create more clutter. Your action step today, pick 1 rule and implement it right now. Set up 1 proper drop zone or do a 5-minute declutter of your messiest surface. That's how systems start. When you shift from cleaning to systems, everything changes. Your home stays tidy without constant effort. You stop feeling overwhelmed. You reduce your mental load and create a space that supports your life instead of draining your energy. Subscribe right now for more proven systems that make your life easier in 2026. Drop a comment with your biggest home organization struggle and tell me which rule you re-implementing first. Share this with someone who needs to hear they're not messy, they just need a better system. Your tidy home in 2026 starts with one 10-minute decision today.